What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you. I know this is a little late and I got these not early, but I was back home, Chicago, visiting my family and I had a wedding to go to. So better late than never. I will be doing my BoxyCharm unboxings. I have the premium box here and I have the base box here. So if that's what you want to see, keep on watching. All right, so I think we're going to start off with the BoxyCharm base box, and like nothing is opened. So I'm going to have my little assistant here help me unbox it. Oh God. All right, so here's our base box. This is the red box, okay? And it's Sweet Treats. This is the theme for April for the base box. And of course, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, you have a description of all the items that you have in the box and the prices, okay? So let's grab what's on top. All right, so I have this Kinder Beauty, Kinder Glow. I like the packaging, it's very aesthetically pleasing. I get excited with these, so don't judge me. Okay, so it's gold with, sorry, with the ring light. It's gold with a pale pink plastic compact. And these are really pretty. This shade here is the marble color. This was that gold, which is called Angel. This one was that medium lighter brown, it's called Loving, and this one was the darker one, obviously called Kindly. So it is really nice. You do get a lot of pigment here, so I can only imagine what it would look like on the face after the face is primed and you have product on there. Here, next item, Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. Okay, I'm all about my face oils here. Okay, again, the bottle is aesthetically pleasing. It's a frosted glass bottle here, and the product does look like honey. It smells like honey also. So let's take a little bit of product here and put a drop on our hand, on my hand. And it's a pretty nice consistency. It's not too watery, but it's not too thick either. It's just right. It's like a warped, a warped Three Bears bit here, but it is very moisturizing, as you can see here. Super moisturizing and feels very luxe, so I can't wait to try this. Next up, I have a Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, light to medium coverage with hyaluronic acid for hydrating skincare benefits. Okay, so it is a nice medium type color. We'll put it over the oil and we'll go ahead and swatch it. I don't have any face makeup on. Yep, that looks like it is a perfect match and it feels very lightweight, which is awesome. It does feel really, really nice on the skin. So we'll have to play around with that product and go from there. I have the LiQWYD Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow Non-Sticky Lightweight Luminizer. We have a code in here too. Use code BoxyCharm for 20% off your order if you do order through LiQWYD. Just saying. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's an awesome like bronze color or bronze coppery tone. And it is very aesthetically pleasing. It's super pretty. Rose gold, you know, hardware with the pump. So let's try our other hand. Hopefully this pump isn't broken. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's what it looks like pumped on. Ooh, it is seriously thick. It almost reminds me of the Victoria's Secret, the Dream Angels, like that body souffle. That's what it feels like exactly. Does give the skin a nice glow. You can see glow, no glow. All right, so it is very pretty. There isn't a smell to it, which is also nice, but it does give you like a nice like glow, and it's not like a hooker shimmer either, or like a glitter. And last, we have eyelashes, the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack. And the set here is Baby Girl and Charmer. Okay, so we'll put this one up here. And now we have our Boxy Premium to discover. And by the way, that was $144 worth in product in the base box. Okay, so here's our premium, the blue box. All right, same theme. I'm excited. Oh, I see some Marc Jacobs. Yes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 6 products here in this box. So obviously what I'm going to look up for on the top here, Marc Jacobs, the Blurring Coconut primer. I'm going to put a little squeeze here on the side of my hand. It goes on like a semi-matte or matte. It almost has like that dry kind of consistency. But even looking at this versus here, it does kind of mask out the lines in my hand. Another Marc Jacobs item, which I am super excited about. This is the Sequins Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. It's called Shimmy Dip is my color. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, that's pretty. So this is the color here. It's a very pretty gold type color. So we're going to put it on our hand here where the primer is. That's really pretty, especially if you're doing like a halo or want that pop of color. This is what it looks like here. It is stunning. And it feels wet, but right now you can feel it like drying down on the side of my hand here. So that's going to be a fun one to put, you know, on my hands as well, or my hands on my eyes. That's going to be a fun one to use. Okay, Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so this is what it looks like, this coral palette here. This is another awesome brand, another awesome product. Her colors come out fully pigmented. What you see is what you get. Oh, these are so pretty. And this is what it looks like outside, you know, with the plastic off of it. So I'm just going to, so this is Kai, Lyria. This is Avalone, Dakota, and Lola. So we're just going to, in that order. I mean, look at those colors here. And then we're going to take this red. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it does feel like butter still. This is an awesome, and it's a nice heavy palette too. Okay, so we have 3 more items to go. This next one here, yes, this is a great box. I have the Fenty Mademoiselle Plush Lipstick. So this is in Dragon Mommy. Okay, and I love my reds, but this kind of looks, this looks awfully orange. So we're gonna find out what this looks like. Okay, so this is a really pretty package here. Yeah, it's like an orangey red or a true red. So that's what it looks like. And I'll just put it on camera here. Wow. Can we say electrifying? Holy shit. That's pretty awesome. It is a bright color. I actually kind of like it. And I usually don't do brights like this, but this is fun. I really like it. Next up, we have the Dose of Colors. This is an eyeliner. Okay, I'm assuming that's the color. And it's called Unbox. Okay, so that's a sexy package right there. Okay, so I'm assuming that this, yep. So here's the sharpener. And here's the liner. So it's kind of like a darker terracotta, maybe. It looks like a red brown, like a brick type color, which is nice because sometimes, you know, with black can be really, really harsh on your eyes, on your skin. So it's like a brick type color. And then I'm assuming what you would do is pull out the sharpener and just sharpen the tip as needed. Lastly, I have the Wander Beauty. This is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, and this is $68, just so we know. So, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's a decent weight. It is a light baby pink plastic container with a gold top. So we'll use the bottom part of our wrist here. Kind of pooped out at me. Okay. It smells like eucalyptus almost. So it's very soothing, very relaxing. Okay, so I can see, you putting this on your face and you're relaxing to go to sleep. Obviously the Do Not Disturb. It absorbs very quickly. So I'm excited to try this as well. Okay, so thank you for joining me with my BoxyCharm box unveiling. I hope that you watch, like, subscribe, and share. And I want to thank all of you for your support. Thank you so much.